Hey everybody, this is Steve Lennon from Microsites Pro, and I want to talk to you today about the site, how to navigate through it, how to best use it, and also how to contact me if you should have an interest in getting a digital business card or a mobile website, which is a combination of the two in effect. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to walk it through with you real quick, show you what to do, and now make it really easy for you to find the perfect digital business card on the site for you. I have over 260 of them, and they keep growing. I'll probably have about 300 on there, 320 on there in the short while. So let's go ahead and get started. So digital business card is just like a regular strategic standard business card that you would hand out, but it happens to be digital. But you can do 10 times more with it, and it's actually something that if you're in sales or you're a tradesman, whatever you do, they actually do have a great utility, something that you can do with them to grow your business, start instant email marketing campaigns, all different types of things. So let's go ahead and scroll up here and find out what you can do. So I would suggest that you go ahead on the site and just read through this here, and it's for coaches and trainers, tradesmen, professionals, web hosts, coaches, people who do virtual meetings, all kinds of stuff. Here's some samples of some of the actual digital business cards. You can go ahead and click on those on the home page and see what they are. If you're wanting to do a sales funnel or a link tree marketing or social media marketing, or you want to promote to Google My Business, they're great ways to do that. Why? Because when I build them with the idea that I do them through Google My Business, everything that Google likes, and therefore if Google likes it and you're doing what they tell you to do, they're going to give you more favor in the searches to be able to promote you and do things like that, which we can go into later. So let's go ahead and look down and see some more. You can see that all kinds of different ones here. We'll go down a little farther here. If you're into plumbing services or HVAC or your pool maintenance or window cleaning, whatever you do, there's a card that I can make for you. Now, if you don't see the card on here specifically, I can certainly make it based on any template that you see here. I can adjust it, change it, put your messaging in there, your images, all that kind of good stuff. So, all right, let's get down to the part here. Ladies' digital business cards, there's a whole bunch of them in here. Now, that does not preclude you. If you see one that has a man in it, you can always convert it to a ladies' one as well. But yeah, they're really, really nice, and you can click on them. You just click on one of them, like click here, and go right to it and check it out. And then we'll go down here. If you have a medical office or you're truck drivers, or you do repair, you're a mortgage lender or a real estate person, they're perfect for you for that particular industry. Here's some more of them that look really, really nice. And now we're at the bottom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to the next section here. Next section, I'm going to show you a sample of one in live. Let's go up here and take a look at it. Here we go. Okay, this one's for a financial advisor and controller. And you can see how nice and clean they are. We can put your social media. We have click to call on here. We have instant video messaging that we can do and audio messaging that we can incorporate into it. When you or someone else fills out this form, it can kick off an email marketing campaign that could be triggered from 3 emails up to whatever you want. I have real estate agents where I have 10, 12, 15 emails that are going out for 3, 6, 9 months, that sort of thing. So whatever it is you need, you can see how nice and clean they are. When they make a submission through here, what it effectively does is they'll get this thank you, and there's so much more that we can do here as well. And then they can click again to your services. So if you have a third-party website and you want to click to those services, you can do that, or you can just we can just do all kinds of things. It's just a discussion we would have to have. So, all right, so there's that. And then over here, here's some of the little add-ons on here. All you do is just click on an add-on right here. Just click on a couple of them, and then it will go ahead and do it, and you're good to go on there. If there's other features, well, I can do a consultation with you. There's other features that we can do there that would fit your niche. We'll talk about that, and the way to do that is to come right down here. Monday through Friday, you can actually contact me by hitting this QR code and talk to me live. Now, what I will tell you that there'll be times when I'm real busy, and it may go to not be alive, but I'll call you back or communicate with you. But a lot of the time I can just go ahead and talk to you live through a video / audio call or text messaging, however you want. So, and then right here, if you just want the fastest way and easiest way is probably just to schedule an appointment here. So all you have to do is just click here, click a time, fill out this form here, book a call with me. And then we'll come into a virtual meeting. I'll show you all kinds of different templates. I'll give you some insight on what you can do with them, all that kind of good stuff. And you'll be a happy camper. So let me show you a couple samples here. Here's one of them here. I'm going to bring in this one here. And first, let's look. This is a mobile view. So like a website view, right? So if you're out and you're wanting to promote this, you can put this into Google My Business and other places. It's very cost effective. People can hit the QR code. They can download your digital your business card right into their phone or device, and they can also do a booking right here also. So if you want to have them do a meeting with you, you can do that as well. There's so much you can do. Hit the QR code. We can talk about that. There's many things we can do with the QR code. And then in this one, what we did is we had it so that they can fill out their information right here, or you can. Let's say you're on a phone call and you want to take the lead. You put it in here on your phone device as the owner, and then you give them you choose the selections you want, and then you choose the interest that you have, and you hit send, and it automatically kicks off an email marketing campaign to keep them in front of you, and this information goes over to you, so you have a lead that can also be integrated into most CRMs and things like that. There's just a lot you can do. So there's that one. So let's go ahead and take a look at it on mobile. Give me a second here. Okay, so if you look at this is the same thing, but it's on mobile right here. It's actually my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. So let's say you're an owner. You get a call, and you want to take the lead because you're busy. Maybe you're out in the street and you're working every day. You're a plumber or whatever it may be, and or you're talking to a homeowner and you do carpet laying and carpet installation, and they love it. Their friends want to get carpet too. You can actually click here and put their information in. Okay, so you put their information in. You'll go down here, fill out the form that we've created for you. They'll hit send right here with the brown where this is right here, and it will kick off in a campaign you can be on with your work and then follow up later on. Or let's say you get a call and you're working, the same thing can happen. Now here's a digital contact. Yeah, so if I click on this, it's going to go ahead and click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to the information for you. So that's how that works, real quick, and it's a great utility. So let's go ahead and let's go over to the next thing. Here's another example of one right here. This one was one that I did for a tow company, and I'm going to show you what that one looks like on mobile real quick here. And we'll go ahead and scroll down. You can see how each one's done individually. They're beautiful. They do what they need to do. Now for this video, I have this one a little bit compressed for the purposes on my desktop. See how nice and clean it looks, right? So that's how that works. So that's another one, and then I'll just show you one or two more, actually one more, and there's another one right there, and that's one is for a real estate agent and a mortgage professional. He does both, and you can see how nice that looks on desktop. And then we'll just go back on, we'll just pull it up real quick here on mobile, and you can see it on mobile. There's mobile right there. There's so much I can do with these digital business cards. The sky's the limit, from promoting products to services to digital products to books. Let's say you're a book author, or someone in a trade, you're a professional psychiatrist, whatever you do, you're a trainer, you own a gym, you want to collect clients and you want to promote it on social media. There's just many things you can do. So if you have some interest in this, take a look at some of the different templates. We'll convert them for you. We'll do a customization, make them look the best for you and what your needs are, and we can start out with just a virtual meeting and get you going. So hope you have a great day, morning or afternoon, and I'll look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.